Hi everyone, look at this. I can make many different kinds of videos, 2D animation, 3D, anime, and lots of other styles. The great thing is that the visuals and cinematic styles stay consistent, and there is no limit on the video length. You can make 1, 2, 5, or 10 minutes, or even go unlimited. Today I will use Novi AI to make these videos. I just found this website, and it brings together many of the hottest models available right now. To access Novi AI, go to Novi OA or click the link in the video description. As soon as you open it, you can already see the demo, right? You can also write your script here, starting with any idea you have, or paste a script below. Novi AI has agents that help you write a story, plus many other tools, including this story tool. In future videos, I will go deeper into these tools and utilities. If there is one you want to see, comment below and I will cover it. In this video, I will use GPT Image 2 to create storyboards and Seedance 2.0 to turn them into videos. Now I will open the Explore section. As soon as you open Explore, you will see many ready-made presets, right? These presets are already configured, so you can use them right away. What I care about most is creating images with GPT Image 2. To save time, I will prepare some reference images first, before we begin. Here I already have 3 simple 2D animation style images. You can make images like these with ChatGPT, Gemini, or another image tool. I have already written the prompts, so you can paste them here. These are the characters I want, and I can share the full prompts if you comment below. I will select these 3 images, the main character, the supporting character, and the background. That is all. So I will click Open. For the prompt, you can ask Gemini or ChatGPT to create a simple prompt. Just upload these 3 images, then ask it to generate a prompt for this topic and story. I will paste that prompt here. If you want the full prompt, comment below and I will send it to you. Next is the image ratio. This is a YouTube demo. I will choose 16:9 because I prefer it for long videos and connected series like this one, with episodes that continue naturally. I will show you how to build a long series where each episode continues the story, using GPT Image 2 for the storyboards. That lets you make very long videos with strong connections between episodes. Here, I choose 16:199. Set the image count to 1 and click Create. It has created a storyboard. A storyboard is a set of panels in one image that tells a visual story. I can use this image to make a video, and it will match what I want more accurately than imagining everything from a prompt. Once the first storyboard is ready and looks good, I can keep it or ask the tool to generate another version right now. I can regenerate it or download it if I like it. Now I will upload the image I just used for the storyboard before moving to the next step. Right here, I will click Open and write a prompt that continues from this storyboard. It will create a second storyboard, so just imagine the possibilities. Once I have the first storyboard, I can extend the video or split it into episodes and sections for YouTube and other platforms. Or I can upload it to TikTok. It depends on what you need. Now, I will start creating a whole batch of storyboards. Each storyboard can become a 15-second video with Seedance 2.0. That is how we can build a much longer video. And after a little time, the results are ready. I now have 4 storyboards, which means 4 videos. Each one is 15 seconds. So together they make 1 minute. Exactly. I can make the script even longer, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or unlimited. The only limit is how far your imagination can go. You can start by clicking Create Video here. It opens the video panel, and Seedance 2.0 is already selected right here. Choose Seedance 2.0 or the faster Seedance 2.0 Fast. I think the regular version gives better quality. I will use a Seedance 2.0. You can add a start frame and an end frame, and the tool turns them into a video. That part is simple. What interests me is the reference section. Because it supports several different types of input, you can upload a 2 to 5 second reference video for the model to learn from. Scroll down a little. This is the section I will use. You can upload an image, so I will upload my storyboard. You can also add audio if you want voiceover or another option for your project. For example, you can add someone's voice as a reference, and the AI will imitate it. Here I only have the storyboard for my own project. I will upload this image and keep the process simple. I have 4 images ready: the first, second, third, and fourth. First, I will select the first image. I will click Open, then paste the prompt. For the prompt, you can ask ChatGPT or Gemini to write it. That part is simple. Next, we choose the video ratio, starting with the setting we want. It is already set to 16:9, so I will keep that ratio. Choose another ratio when your goal is TikTok. For a YouTube short, choose 9:16. For this video, I will definitely keep 16:9. For quality, I will choose 720p, the sharpest option here. The video can be 5 to 15 seconds, and this storyboard is ready. I optimized this storyboard for a 15-second video, so I will use 15 seconds. Shorter storyboards or B-roll scenes can use a shorter duration. Choose the shorter duration when the scene is brief. It depends on how you adapt the story. Now I will click Create when you are ready. With 4 storyboards, I will make 4 videos. All 4 are ready now, so let us take a look. Each storyboard tells a story, and each video lasts 15 seconds. Let us watch. This is the first episode. Watch how the story begins with a clear opening scene, and notice how the characters and the world stay consistent from one panel to the next. That continuity is what makes the final video feel like one connected story. Even when the scene changes, the same visual style carries the story forward. That is 15 seconds. Next.
Đây. Đấy.
Here is episode 3. The character gets pulled into a world made from the pencil drawings. This part adds a little drama. The character enters a strange world, and the story introduces a monster to raise the tension. You can plan this storytelling in ChatGPT, then turn each scene into a connected clip, so the audience keeps wondering what will happen next. That makes the sequence feel like a real episode. There are monsters and other details here. This is the storytelling section, and you can write it in ChatGPT. Here is the monster! At the end, viewers will be waiting to see the character fight this monster. This is the final part. The length depends on how many scenes you ask for. If ChatGPT or Gemini writes 6, 7, or 10 scenes for you, the video simply becomes longer. Here's a quick demo. 4 videos make 1 minute with Seedance 2.0, while GPT Image 2 creates the storyboards. Now I will use GPT Image 2 to create the storyboard. This is the final one. That was a simple demo. I used a GPT Image 2 storyboard with Seedance 2.0 to create the videos. This makes the videos more coherent and gives them a real story. The length is unlimited, so you can make them as long as you want. You only need enough credits to use it. The website I am using is Novi AI. It also has many special offers. You can see the panel here. One useful feature is that purchased credits do not expire for subscribers. After you buy a package, the credits stay available. You can buy credits and save them until you need them, instead of losing them after only 1 month. Keep them for future projects and use them whenever you need them. Unused credits are not reset, which is helpful. Just buy the amount you need and use it when you are ready, without wasting anything. Buy only as many credits as you need. That is much more practical. Visit Novi AI directly at Novi AI and start creating your own videos. Or click the link in the description. If you want more Novi AI topics or another niche, comment below. I will find useful tools to share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.